I like to find the cheapest ones pretty much. Here. So I'll get some of those. I'll probably just cook a big batch or something. I don't know. Anyway, get some of those. Probably grab some of $4.31, so I'm gonna go with this. Get a few of those, and I'll use that. Now, what else was it that put in there? Let's go this way. Y'all wanna do the corn on the cob?
Yeah.
Here, grab a bag of that corn on the cob right here. Okay. I'm gonna get one of these because I don't think I have any more. And she didn't use chicken broth, but I might. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, you all right? Okay. That's cream with cheese. What is it? Cream of chicken.
Cream of chicken is right here.
Over here.
Somewhere up there.
Okay. So they don't have the family size, so we're gonna get a few of these. Here's a cream of mushroom. I might add that in. I don't know. Here, here it is. What are you doing? And then I'm probably gonna need more than that though for all of that. Let's get a couple more of these. Then we wipe those off. For sure. Now what else did she have in there? Come on. You good, Harmony? See, there's not a lot of people here. It's like this little small store. I got all my seasonings already. I got that at the house. So I don't need no seasonings. Like I said, I don't need no seasonings. Ain't nobody over here. So I'm just looking over here, seeing what's over here that I might miss. But other than that, oh, I need seasoning salt. That's something I didn't use yesterday either. I forgot I didn't have it. You know what? I bought some. I got pepper yesterday, didn't I?
Yeah.
Some basil, parsley flakes. I need some of this. Get some parsley. Now, I would get these here, but I'm not gonna do it because I can go to the dollar store and get those for $1. Yeah, some change, but I need that. Probably need some butter. Look at that, 77 cents for this. Look, show them that. There you go, 77 cents. What else she used? So I pretty much got everything that we need at that house. So this is really a quick trip because she really didn't use too much. Get one of these. Now y'all, I love me some lemonade. I kill that. Most definitely. Usually when I got my youngest daughter, I'll get a chocolate milk. They don't even have any right now, look. But it's usually right there, but they don't have any, so. She loves us some chocolate milk. What did we say we was gonna get? Oh, y'all need pops, right?
Yeah. Great.
Great?
Mm-hmm.
Just get 3 of them. Now these, y'all, these are 3 for $10. So they be getting those. Let me see. Let me get that for a second. So they got different kinds. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like Save a Lot. 3 for $10s. What's that? So see, I'm not getting too much today. Just getting the stuff that I need for what I'm about to do. That's what I'm doing today. They got a pop, so they made sure they reminded me of that. Here you go. Okay. But we're gonna see what's there.
You don't have no
Am I out of waters?
Mm-hmm.
I am.
Yeah.
Water. Hey, grab a water. Okay, yeah. For sure. And so we got the corn. What we debate on? We're gonna do the broccoli or the green beans?
Broccoli.
I don't know. Broccoli, you think?
Broccoli.
So I got one thing of those. What?
That's disgusting.
Well, when I just asked you, you was like, it don't matter. So I'm going with it. Big facts. If they got one over here. Yeah. So a lot of y'all might say something, but this is what I get. I got some of these, okay? Yes, I do. $2.49. All right. How many pieces of corn in there? 10?
10.
Yeah, 10. So we got 10 of those. I don't eat corn. It's not that I don't like it. It's just, I just don't eat it. Because I hate when it gets in my teeth. But the kids love it, so.
So good.
Huh?
I said so good.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
They got some seedless watermelon. I wouldn't get that though. What else? Did I need anything else? What else did I need? I should have went live and did this. Y'all probably would have told me what I needed. Let me see. Chicken. You don't have to. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so we got the chicken. Got my butter. Got the peppers, corn on the cob. Got my cream of chicken. I got 1 cream of mushroom. Let's see. I feel like that's all she had in her video. So here, take it. I feel like that's all she had in that video. So I'm not gonna. I'd really hate to go home and then forget something. I got my seasonings. Cause her video was pretty simple. Like, I think it's cool. Let me give me a couple of these though. So, bro, these are only 99 cents, so I'd like to get these. Oh, M&M's, right?
M&M's.
Now, I know y'all be seeing me eat these in videos, and now the kids is on it, but I need my M&M's. It's like my snack, so. Yeah, those are pretty big, aren't they? These are $1. These are only $1. See that? $1. Sorted candy. Now, I wouldn't eat all that. I don't eat nothing else. M&M's are my thing. What you looking at? These caramel candy. See, these are $1 at the dollar store. See, these are $1 at the dollar store, but they're $1.99 here. My daughter just got some at the dollar store for $1 yesterday, which I'm about to go there because I need my pants for this. So I think we got everything we're gonna get here, to be honest with you. We're about to hit the dollar store. You can go off.